Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And in the third line we have disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. Disconnect lift your earbuds at the device list, and unpair just remove your earbuds totally from your phone. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, we have it. We stopped Bluetooth connection, but we have it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!